Hi guys, it's super hot here in the Philippines. So for today, meron kaming activities. Uy, activities for the go. Anong masasabi mo sa naganap na sobrang kainitan dito sa sobrang kainitan? Maybe because I'm here in Araceli. That's why it's so very hot here,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Right now.
And because of you.
Because I'm so hot. What are you eating? What are you eating?
I'm eating myself.
Anong ulam mo?
Feet.
Feet? Why? Feet of what?
Dinosaur.
Ang ulam niya guys ay paa ng dinosaur. Can you see the look?
Dalok. Look at it. Dalok.
Dalok-dalok. Nawa.
Kailangan ba kayo?
Ba't mo ako binibiduhan? Bakit mo ako binibiduhan?
You tell me.
Tell me, bakit nga ba? Sabanang iwasan mo ako.
Kung ano ginahalo-halo ko.
Diyan, double purpose.
Oh.
Hi guys, so ngayon is nagmi-mix ako ng harina kasi nga yes, we're gonna make a sabak cake, so that's why I'm gonna mix this harina, yeah, right. So guys, the first is mixing, and then later